and welcome to a new Cloudasta tutorial. In enterprise sales, information is power, but gathering internal CRM history, external financial data, and executive talking points takes hours of research. What if you could generate a comprehensive strategic sales brief that combines all this intelligence in seconds? Today, we'll build an agent with Gemini Enterprise that transforms a simple search into a strategic sales workflow. Let's start by going to the Gemini Enterprise agent library, select New Agent, and click directly on Proceed to Builder. To build our system, we'll start with the Orchestrator. Its job is to manage its team of specialist subagents and assemble their findings into a final report. We'll name it Strategic Sales Brief Agent and give it a clear description. In the instructions, we'll tell it to first call the CRM check subagent to find out our internal history with the account. At the same time, we'll instruct it to call the company research subagent to find financials and news, and the key contacts subagent to research the decision makers. This parallel processing is incredibly efficient. Don't worry, we will explain how each subagent works in the next steps. Finally, it will synthesize all the data into a single, well-structured document. This particular agent doesn't need any connectors since it will work exclusively with the information retrieved by its subagents. Connectors can be applications that are available in GCP, such as Drive, Calendar, and Gmail, or custom connectors that your IT team may have created. For example, your IT department might add a custom connector to a dataset in BigQuery that syncs with your CRM platform. We don't need to add anything to the knowledge base section either, because this orchestrator will work with the data from the sub-agents only. And to finalize this agent, we add a personalized conversation starter that we'll see when we start a chat with the agent. With the orchestrator's logic defined, let's build its team. First up, the CRM check subagent. This subagent has one crucial job: check if the client is a new or existing account and return its info if available. We tell it to act as an internal data analyst. It will search our internal CRM records, in our case in HubSpot, and return the account history. We also tell it what to do in case it can't find the company name in the CRM, which would mean this is a new account. To do this, we give it access to our CRM data via the HubSpot connector. Next, we build our external research analyst. We'll call it the Company Research Subagent. Its mission is to gather business context. We instruct it to use the Google search tool to find a company overview, high-level financials, and recent news headlines. This agent does the heavy lifting of traditional sales research automatically. We connect it to the Google search tool to give it access to the search capabilities. Finally, we'll build the agent that focuses on the human element, the key contacts subagent. Its instructions are to find the key decision makers and, most importantly, find out what they are currently talking about in public interviews or press releases. This will enable your sales team to have a potential opening with the key contacts. To finalize, we connect it to the Google search tool so it can find the most up-to-date executive intelligence. Perfect. Now our system of agents is completed. We click Create in the top right side. At this point, we can share the agent with specific users or groups. Keep in mind that a Google Cloud admin needs to approve your sharing request. Or if you want your agent to be available for the whole company, your Google Cloud admin needs to deploy it. To do this, they simply need to go to Gemini Enterprise in GCP, then Agents, select the agent you want to share, and under the User Permissions tab, go to Add User and select All Users, then click Save. Now let's see the system in action. A quick reminder before starting, the user needs to authenticate the HubSpot connector, logging in with their credentials for the agent to have reading access of the records. We'll ask the agent to generate a brief for Alphabet, which we currently don't have in our database. The orchestrator immediately calls its internal CRM checker and its two external intelligence experts. In moments, all three agents return their findings, and the orchestrator assembles the final brief. We have our internal account history, the company's financial overview, and a list of key executives with their current strategic focus areas. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've built an automated workflow that integrates internal data and external market intelligence, providing immense and repeatable value to your sales team.